Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into Congress. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Forum, which means a meeting or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Forum. For example, we hope these pages act as a forum for debate. Number 2. Seminar, which means a conference or other meeting for discussion or training. Seminar. For example, these suggestions were discussed at a seminar attended by education authority officials. Number 3. Gathering, which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, she rose to address the gathering. Number 4. Conference, which means a formal meeting of people with a shared interest, typically one that takes place over several days. Conference. For example, an international conference on the environment. Number 5. Convention, which means a large meeting or conference, especially of members of a political party or a particular profession or group. Convention. For example, the party held its biennial convention. Number 6. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, the Council of Nicaea was the largest assembly of bishops hitherto. Number 7. Congregation, which means a gathering or collection of people, animals, or things. Congregation. For example, such congregations of birds may cause public harm. Number 8. Council, which means a body of people elected to manage the affairs of a city, county, or other municipal district. Council. For example, a ban on school buses using the road was imposed by the county council. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.